Good morning, students. Welcome to Finite Element Methods tutorial. In this lecture, I am going to discuss one problem on eigenvalues and natural frequencies. The problem number one: determine the eigenvalues and frequencies for the stepped bar as shown figure. This is the given stepped bar. Let u1, u2, and u3 are the displacements at node 1, node 2, node 3. A1 is the cross-sectional area of element 1 that equal to 1 meter square. A2 is the cross-sectional area of element 2 that equals 0.5 meter square. Length of the element 1 is L1 equal 10 meters. Length of element 2 is 5 meters. And also given Young's modulus, that is 30 into 10 power 10 Newton per meter square. Density rho equal 8500 kg per meter cube. Now write the equation for dynamic equation of motion per undamped free vibration, that the equation is k minus omega square into m into u. K minus omega square m into u. For element 1, now calculate stiffness matrix. We know the stiffness matrix formula for stepped bar, that is K1 equal to A1 E1 by L1, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, and take notes 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now substitute the above given values, that is area is 1 meter square, E1 equal to 30 into 10 power 10 Newton per meter square. Now simplify this equation, we get 0 0 get cancelled, 3 into 10 power 10 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 Newton per meter. This is equation number 2. Now calculate mass matrix for element 1. We know the formula for bar element, that is rho A L by 6 2 1 1 2. Now substitute the above given values, that is rho equal 8500 kg per meter cube, A1 equal L, L1 equal to 10 by 6 2 1 1 2. Now give the notes 1 2 1 2. Units for mass matrix is kgs. Now simplify this equation, we get 85 into 10 power 3 by 6 2 1 1 2. Similar to calculate stiffness matrix and mass matrix for element 2. For element 2 stiffness matrix, that is A2 E2 by L2, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Now write the nodes. Element 2 having nodes 2 and 3, 2 3 2 3. Now substitute above given values in this equation, we get A2 equals 0.5 meter square, E2 equals 30 into 10 power 10 Newton per meter square, L2 equals 5 meters, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 equal to 3 into 10 power 10, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Units for stiffness matrix is Newton per meter. This is the equation number 1. Now calculate mass matrix for element 2. We know the formula, that is rho A L by 6 2 1 1 2. Now substitute the above values, that is rho 2 8500 into A2 0.5 into L2 5 by 6 2 1 1 2. Now simplify this equation, we get 85 into 10 power 3 by 24 2 1 1 2, nodes 2 3 2 3. Now write the global stiffness matrix for stepped bar. That means combining the stiffness matrix K1 and K2. K equal K1 plus K2. The stepped bar having 3 nodes, so the size of global stiffness matrix is 3 by 3, that is 3 into 10 power 10 1 minus 1 0 minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1. This is the stiffness matrix for element 1. This is the stiffness matrix for element 2. Similar to right, global mass matrix. Now combining mass matrix of for element 1 and element 2, we get m equal 85 into 10 power 3 by 24, 8, 4, 0, 4, 10, 1, 0, 1, 2, and also write displacement vector u equal u1, u2, u3. This is the equation number 8. By substituting all the above global matrices and displacement vector expressed by equation 6, 7 and 8 in equation 1, we get this is the stiffness matrix, that is 3 into 10 power 10, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1. This is the mass matrix, that is 85 into 10 power 3 by 24, 8, 4, 0, 4, 10, 1, 0, 1, 2 into omega square. This is the displacement vector u equal u1, u2, u3 equal to 0. Let now dividing this entire equation with 3 into 10, 10 power 10, we get minus 1.181 in 10 power minus 7 omega square. Let lambda equal to 1.181 into 10 power minus 7 omega square. Now simplify this equation number 9, we get 1 minus 8 lambda minus 1 minus 4 lambda, 0, minus 1 minus 4 lambda, 2 minus 10 lambda minus 1 minus lambda, 0, minus 1 minus lambda, 1 minus 2 lambda into u1, u2, u3 equals 0. This is equation number 10. Now apply the boundary condition. Then the given staple bar having first node is fixed. Now eliminate first row and first column. The first node is constrained, so this is fixed part. Now eliminate first row and first column of this matrix. Now write remaining element, that is 2 minus 10 lambda minus 1 minus lambda minus 1 lambda 1 minus 2 lambda into u2 u3, that equals 0. For calculating lambda, to determine this matrix, that is determinant of 2 minus 10 lambda minus 1 minus lambda minus 1 minus lambda 1 minus 2 lambda equals 0, we know how to calculate determinant of the given matrix. For example, I am taking ABCD matrix, that is ABCD. This matrix name is, to determine the given matrix, that is 2 by 2 matrix, that is AD minus BC. This element into this element minus this element into this element, that is 2 minus 10 lambda into 1 minus 2 lambda minus minus 1 minus lambda into minus 1 minus lambda equals 0. Now simplify this equation, we get 19 lambda square minus 16 lambda plus 1 equals 0. Now calculate roots for this equation. This is the equation. This is the formula of ax square plus, this is the in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. We know the formula for how to calculate roots for this equation, that is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, b square minus 4ac by 2a. A equal 19, b equal minus 16, c equal 1. Now substitute these ABC terms in this equation, we get two roots, that is lambda equal 0.7742. Second one is 0.069. This lambda value is called as eigenvalues lambda 1 and lambda 2. Now write in increasing order, that is 0.067, 0.7742. When lambda equals 0.067, we know we taken lambda equal to 1.181 into 10 power minus 7 omega square. From this term, we can find omega 1, that is 758.3 radian per second. This is the first natural frequency. Next, similar to calculate second natural frequency, that is lambda 2 equals 0.7742. We know lambda equal to 1.181 into 10 power minus 7 omega square, that equals 0.7742. From this term, we can find W2. Omega 2 equal 2560.3 radian per second. Now write the results. Eigenvalues are lambda 1 equals 0.0679, lambda 2 equals 0.7742. Frequencies, first natural frequency omega 1 equal 758.3 radian per second. Second natural frequency 2560.3 radian per second. I hope this is very clear to everyone.